Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will tell you about different websites to learn a particular skill. So guys, this is very beneficial web series for you and your friends and families so they can also learn and earn through it. So keep sharing this playlist. So first of all, in today's video, I will teach you about how about the best website to learn data analytics. But first of all, we will go to Fiverr.com. If you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms in the world right now, and where you can sell your services online and earn money through it. People buy your services. Okay, Fiverr.com. Here I search data analytics to check that is there a demand of this skill or not. Data analytics. I click on this, and as you can see, there is only 1230 services available, which means that this is a low competition niche. So people also teach about data analytics, and you can see I will be your advanced data analytics tutor. This is interesting. First of all, we will open his gig, and Laiba A, he's from Pakistan, and experienced data analytics professional in Fiverr. Services include data analytics, visualization, Excel, Power BI, business analysis, and many more services. You can also read about his gig, but do not copy his gig. Take an idea and make your own. In basic package, he charged $15, and he teach data analytics fundamentals, 1 hour, one-to-one tutoring. It means that for 1 hour he charged $15, and in standard package he charged $25, and 1.5 hours one-to-one tutoring. In premium he charged $35 and 2 hours of one-to-one tutoring, and different about different topics. And he completed his 9 reviews, 5-star reviews, and 10 orders completed. And that's it. You can also check out his other gigs. So this is an interesting gig that you can learn the skill and also teach others on Fiverr. I will data analytics projects here. So he's a pro freelancer, and as you can see, he charged $225 for basic package, in which he includes one model and model documentation, two variables. In standard, $1,500, two models validation documentation. In premium, charge $2,500, and only 3+ models, model validation documentation, etc. And he completed 14 orders, and he's from India. Priyam K. So you can also read his gig and make your own according to it. So I think Fiverr part is over, and let's go towards our websites part. So I will teach you about the website from where you can learn this easy skill. The skill is not that easy, but you have to learn it to earn good amount of money. So guys, the first website is edx.org. There are the courses. You can also search here like data analytics, basic for everyone. IDM, you there is a course of IBM. What you will learn: data analytics, difference between data roles such as data engineers and other many other things. So this is the first website. You can also learn this data analytics basics for everyone course. So let's move towards next website, which is mod.com. It is also, as you see, business intelligence built around data teams. So this is also a very good website, and you can also make interactive dashboards, self-service reporting, advanced analysis, custom data apps, and many other things here. You have also research center, and you can learn these skills for data analysis. So this is the second website. And let's go towards our third website, which is all-time favorite, which is called Coursera. Some courses are paid on Coursera, but mostly free. So we can write here data analytic, and as you can see, Google uploaded a course, Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate course, and it is free. And as you can see, you got certificate from Google. So this is huge opportunity for you to enroll in this, and you have a certificate of Google after completing this course. So this is worth it. So guys, this is the third website. So these are the three websites from where you can learn data analytics. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.